Hello, I'm Amy Swiderski with Rudolph Libby Group's facility management team. In our ongoing series about healthy buildings, this month we will look at custom acrylic panel solutions we have installed in customers' facilities to support their efforts for a safer environment for occupants. As we social distance to mitigate the transmission of COVID-19, how can facility managers keep that top of mind to increase safety? Creating a physical barrier not only reminds everyone to use social distance, but slows the spread of contaminated particles. Utilizing acrylic panels as a physical barrier allows building occupants to maintain a collaborative environment while staying safe. These have been effective solutions for offices, reception desks, lobbies, and educational settings, as well as general public spaces. Acrylic panels are an effective solution for customers in the food service industry. These barriers protect the food, those preparing it, and guests who are dining or waiting for service. The installation of barriers is effective because it provides a layer of protection to help slow the spread of germs and contaminated particles. But this is only one tool needed for a healthy building. Adding other solutions that support the 9 foundations of a healthy building, such as air purification and ventilation upgrades, help to create physical space that is safer for occupants. Rudolph Libby Group's service team will work with you to help determine which solutions will improve the health and safety of your facility. We are here for you.